Easy, quick, and the perfect crowd pleaser for the holidays. Crispy, savory, and full of flavor. Paired with a dip that balances the buttery, flaky pastry for the perfect bite. This is how to make glazed spam in a blanket. Let's jump in. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Open the can of spam and place it on the cutting board, flat side up. Cut the spam into 6 even slices. Then cut each slice in half lengthwise to create 12 strips in total. You want these strips to be about ½ an inch wide to fit perfectly in the pastry. Why? Because uniform pieces ensure even browning and a perfect bite every time. Spam is delicious, but let's face it, it's salty. So we can balance it out by making a sweet, quick glaze. Mix 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar in a bowl. The sugar balances the salt and the soy sauce adds another layer of flavor. Set aside for later. If you want to take your spam to the next level, pan frying is the way to go. This adds crisp edges and nuttier flavors that stand out under the puff pastry. Fry the spam strips until golden brown on medium heat, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once golden brown, reduce the heat to medium and pour the glaze mixture over the spam. The glaze adds moisture and balances the saltiness by adding subtle sweetness. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the glaze thickens. Stir regularly until evenly coated. Unroll your thawed puff pastry. Cut it into 6 rectangles, roughly 3 by 5 inches in dimension. This is the perfect size to wrap around each strip of spam. Take a cooled strip of spam and place it about ½ an inch from the edge of the pastry. Lift the edge over the spam and roll it tightly away from you. Repeat. If the pastry feels too soft, pop it back into the freezer for a few minutes to firm up before continuing. Letting the spam cool before wrapping will help with this. Place the pastry seam side down on your baking tray. This position keeps the pastry from unraveling during baking. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 egg. Brush the egg wash over the top and sides of each wrapped piece of pastry. Then sprinkle sesame seeds on top for extra crunch and flavor. Next, bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until golden brown. While the pastry bakes, let's prepare the sauce. Mix mayo for creaminess, banana ketchup for sweetness and tang, soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce for a boost in umami, and a few cranks of black pepper for spice. Whisk until well combined. This dip balances the buttery and flaky pastry and salty spam for a perfect bite. Once out of the oven, let the baked pastries cool slightly for 5 minutes to set the flaky layers. Rushing the step could cause the pastry to collapse. Don't skip it. And that's it. Stack your spam in a blanket on a platter with your savory dip that balances the buttery, flaky pastry. Easy, quick, and the perfect crowd pleaser for the holidays. Top it off with some green onions for a pop of color. And there you have it. The perfect appetizer, crispy, savory, and full of flavor. Golden browned, and listen to that crunch. This is glazed spam in a blanket. Enjoy.